Today I'm going to tell you 5 things that can make your first or your upcoming video a successful one. So keep on watching. First thing, do not look confused. It has a big impact on your audience, and your audience thinks that you have a big experience of the same field you're talking about. So there are 2 points that can help you not look confused. First one, be confident in front of camera. I'm going to make a video on it very soon. Until then, you can see a lot of tutorials there on YouTube. Second point is, you have to talk to the point. Don't roam here and there and explain your talk very differently but very weirdly. But what you can do is, you should just talk straight to the point. The answer to this is scripting. I'm not saying to write word by word, but what you can do is you can just write just the key points. So it will help you remember it much longer, and you are going to get first video very nice in just one shot. Trust me, this helps a lot. Second thing is, give value in your content. Okay, so everyone uploads a video in a week or a month. Okay, so you have to give your subscribers and your viewers some value so they think that they are also important to you. There are 3 ways in which you can give value to your audience. First one is, give them a name. Giving them a name, like it can be anything, like after your name it can be fam or family or friends or anything like that. I'm also going to give you a name by the end of this week, so don't forget to watch the same video. Second thing that you can do is, you have to be polite. No matter what is happening around you, what is happening in your life, no one cares. But you have to look happy and cheerful in your videos. No one is going to see the sad one. No one is going to see you sadly and sitting very dull. But you have to be happy, energetic and powerful while speaking. Understand? The third thing that you can do is, you have to ask questions related to your content. This also helps in increasing your audience retention, which helps to increase your channel again. What you can do is, you can just ask a question related to your own content. The third thing that you can do is adding elements. The people who is viewing your video should not feel lost, right? So in between you can add text, what are you doing, in which part of the video, what is happening. So that will help the people, the person, the audience to just care and just see what is happening, and they will not feel lost and just mixed up with the thoughts in their mind and the video. The fourth point that you can do is, not think about yourself but think about your audience. This point is very important. Trust me, this point is a game changer. You don't have to think about yourself, but there are 2 ways in which you can do. The first one is for the people who are uploading the video, the first video of their channel this week or forever, okay? The first video, who's uploading the first video, you don't have an audience base right now, okay? Not even 1 or 2 people, like just family members, right? Even if you don't have them, what you can do is, you have to find trending topics, or making tutorial is a better way in starting. If you have some lifestyle videos, what you can do is, you can just check out which topic is trending and you can just make a video including that topic, okay? So suppose Among Us was trending and is trending right now, okay? You can just create a video like, Among Us controls my diet for a day, Among Us controls what I wear for a day, Among Us controls where I go for a day. What you can do is, you can just play online and ask the contestants, and whenever they answer, that is your final decision. So I just give you an idea. You can be as much creative as you want in this field. The second idea is for all of those who are uploading the first video, and also for those who has a big amount of audience base. You are pretty sure that at least 20 to 25 people are going to see your videos. What you can do is, you should give gifts to your audience and especially to your subscribers and your viewers. Not to non-subscribers but returning subscribers too. What you can do is, YouTube has a great feature named as channel trailer and a particular video for subscribers. You have to add a video in both of these fields. For the viewers, you have a particular video, which is the channel trailer, and they are going to be your returning subscribers. And for your people who subscribe to you already, you can keep changing your video month by month, week by week, so that people who subscribe to you get new content rather than getting the same content that the people who are viewing your content. Okay, this helps increasing the audience retention, and in order to see a special content, the people will likely subscribe to you, and that makes a bigger impact. The fifth point is don't ask at first. Asking at first has a bigger amount of problem. Suppose you're going to a restaurant, right? If you see in the front of the restaurant that is so beautiful, it is just the thumbnail. The thumbnail is good, but what you have to do is you have to first figure out that it is also important to make the content nicer. But the people has to watch the video full. Don't ask the person to subscribe to you or like to you in the start. Why? Because this compares and this is having a bigger impact, and this leads that the people will likely leave your video forever and they will not become your subscribers. And that results you've lost one subscriber, right? So I just said you should not ask about subscribing to you, liking your content or commenting in the video, but you should also ask how dislike the video if you didn't like it, but in the end of the video. Do not ask that thing in the starting, because you are not given them anything till now, right? As you've seen in my video, I've not asked it at start, right? So I think that this point, do not look confused. Answer to this is scripting. The second point I told you is give valuable content. There are also two things that you have to do. There are actually three things. You can go back and check at this timestamp. The third thing that you can do is you have to add elements in your videos while editing, right? The fourth thing that you can do is you should give gifts to your subscribers, and do not think about yourself, but think about what your audience is going to watch and what your audience is going to see. The fifth and the most important point that I told you is what are you going to do in the starting. That means you have to not ask for subscribers or viewers or commenting and all that stuff that YouTubers ask in the starting, but you have the right to ask it in the end. Okay, so these were the 5 points. You can just read it from here, and if you didn't understood again, so just watch this video again, you'll understand it very nicely. If you like the video, then like it. See, I'm telling you at the last. If you liked it, then like it. If you don't like it, then dislike it. If you have subscribed to me but you didn't like my content, then go ahead and unsubscribe and become a viewer at least, please. Okay, so the question for today is, did I help you at least 1% in decreasing your stress of uploading your first video, or increasing the chances of your video blowing up? If I did something, please let me know in the comments. I am in need of video ideas. Go ahead and tell me if you have some. I'm definitely going to make everything which helps you guys grow your channel and which is very nice to you guys. So meet you next time. Till then, keep growing. Don't lose your hope. Be motivated. Bye.